Hello, math class. We're looking at chapter 11 again, and section 6 is projecting estimates. And when we're talking about taxes, we have year-end taxes, but sometimes for whatever reason, the employer does not take out maybe your local tax, or maybe you're employed, you're self-employed, so you have to figure out your own taxes, and a lot of people decide to pay them quarterly instead of yearly. Quarterly means how many times a year? That's right, 4 times a year, quarterly. That way it's not such a huge burden at the end of the year, and you can estimate those taxes based on last year. Now, things change. They may go up slightly, down slightly. Something may happen to cause a bigger change, but we can estimate, and you can pay those quarterly, and then at the end of the year, you still may owe a little more or get a refund depending on the changes. So if we're looking at page 224 and 225, the situation is that Jake is a freelance writer. His paychecks have no taxes withheld from them, and he must submit his own estimated tax payments quarterly to the federal, to the state, and to the local governments. The quarterly estimated taxes are due. There is April 15th, June, September, and January, 4 times a month. And what we're doing and going through these examples is how they go through the problem-solving process. So in section A there, they're thinking about the total amount of tax and dividing it by 4, giving them $1,250 to pay each quarter. Then section B, there's a change, and mid-year they need to re-estimate and pay some more. So they go through that process. Read through that process, and then on page 225 you have several questions to answer. They give you some estimated taxes in the middle there that you're going to use for the second section. The top section talks about Betty and gives you some information on Betty. Read through that information. That's what you need to answer questions 1 through 5. Then the estimated tax chart in the following information is for questions 6 through 11. Give those a try and email or Google Hangout any questions you may have. Have a good day.